Good evening, Harris Creek families. Thank you so much for joining us for our first ever virtual open house. I am Tracy Sanchez, and I am the principal of Harris Creek.
Hi, and I am Jolene Dolan. I am the assistant principal of Harris Creek.
All right, and we are going to present our screen. All right. Here we go, and welcome to Harris Creek Elementary School. We are very excited to have you with us. As we already introduced ourselves, we have, there's my email and also Mrs. Dolan's email if you would like to reach out to us, or you can simply call the school and you have the school's phone number right there. Our theme this year, I always love having a theme, and this year I feel like it's very important for us to be working together as a community, together as the parents and the teacher, because this really is a group effort this year to educate our students. So together we will rise for every student every day.
And Harris Creek values are as stated here: sustain relationships between school community members, collaboration and support with community members, teach our students to understand and demonstrate core values, purposeful learning that engages and challenges all students to reach their full potential and become lifelong learners, a diverse school community that is inviting, respectful, inclusive, flexible, and supportive. And last but not least, highly effective and dedicated staff.
All right, so I want to tell you a little bit about our attendance, participation, and grading expectations in the virtual environment. So our goal is to have all students participate daily in live instruction and complete daily assignments. The majority of our students should have already been able to pick up devices if they have asked for them. And so that is our goal, that we soon hopefully will have all students participating daily in the live instruction and completing daily assignments. Now, we know that these are difficult times and that many of our families are accommodating a variety of situations. So please know that we are here to work with you. We are here to help you. We can work with you. We can work with your child care providers, whether that's a camp, a daycare, neighbors, other family members, friends, relatives, etc., to help assist with plans and supports to get students on live daily. If your child is not able to attend a live session on a given day, we ask that you do please reach out to your child's teacher to let him or her know that, just like you would as if they weren't able to be in school in the building. We are tracking attendance for live meets and participation of students that are completing assignments. And teachers are taking grades on assignments, so please make sure that the students are turning in the assignments. Your teacher will go over with you tonight on how to see which assignments are still due.
Reminders for virtual meetings. We know that there are different situations for every student and families, but while a student is learning remotely, our virtual classrooms and online meetings and workspaces are extensions of our school environment. We see exactly what is on your screen, so be mindful of how your child is placed in their room. Remind children to come fully dressed to class as they would if they were in the building. Allow your student to work in a low traffic area if possible to help them focus on instruction happening on the screen. Encourage your students to participate and ask the teacher questions so we will know what the students need help with, as they would in the classroom. Be sure that your student is providing their own answers and work on assessments and assignments by themselves.
All right, so we have multiple people here ready and willing to help out with any types of situations. I just wanted to give you a variety of people here to that you can choose from. You have myself and Ms. Dolan. Carly Price is our school social worker. We have Gwen McLean and Sandy Stanley. They are both our school counselors. We have Nicole Moyer, who's our school psychologist. And then we have Carmen Howley, who's our receptionist. And Carmen also speaks Spanish. And so she is available to help assist with our Spanish-speaking community. So you can reach any of us by email or by simply calling our front office and leaving a message there. And Ms. Halley or Ms. Price will get those messages out to any of us. Again, that number is 919-217-5100.
And the way we communicate with each other. This is great information, as Ms. Sanchez and I are both parents for Wake County also. We get school messengers about what's going on with Wake County. So in order for you to get the principal message that comes in a text or email, you need to subscribe for it. And if you need more information, the website is there, but you can begin by receiving text by saying yes to putting in the number 67587. I highly recommend that. It gives great information about what's going on in Wake County, and it keeps you updated. Another way is our website, and you can see that there listed for you. That's wakecountypublicschools.net/Harris Creek ES. We have a Twitter page at Harris Creek Elementary, which is LELAM. Sorry, PTA also has a website that you can go on to get more information, and I would encourage you to join. And also look at their Facebook page. PTA has a wonderful Facebook page. Our Heather Pugh, one of our assistants, always updates that, and there are great ways to find out information that's going on with Harris Creek and in Wake County.
And certainly want to say thank you so much for choosing to partner with Harris Creek Elementary School. I know parents have a lot of school choices around this area, and we greatly appreciate that you trust your children in their education with us at Harris Creek Elementary. Enjoy your evening tonight. Feel free to ask your teachers questions, and please do reach out to any of us if we can assist you with anything. Thank you so much, and enjoy your evening.